Hi, I'm BC, and today I'll be demonstrating the current development progress of Basic Beast. So just before I start, I'll just briefly mention what is Basic Beast and why did we start this project. Basic Beast is a play and earn collectibles game. It's inspired by Pokemon. And we use Flow blockchain to create our NFTs and IPFS to store the images of the NFTs. We started this project. Basically, it was like an idea that came from my little brother a year ago when he was 10 years old. And we saw these NFT projects and how people basically just collected JPEGs. We didn't want to see NFTs as only JPEGs, but we wanted them to be more interactive. That is basically what we were going for with Basic Beast. We also saw in different communities that people were much more likely to connect with each other. It's much more easy, especially because the incentives gets aligned and the economic value of the NFTs ties the community together. We also believe that like by giving more freedom and power to the user through true ownership, great things can happen. So the inbox system is something that we have created to distribute our packs or doing airdrops. We created the inbox system as a way to solve some of the limitations on Flow blockchain. Because on Flow blockchain, you can't just send any NFT to any Flow wallet address. The user has to have a collection set up in advance for the user to receive the NFT. So we basically created this inbox system so it could be claimable by the user at any moment. And this solves like a lot of issues. The transaction would fail if you try and send an NFT and the user doesn't have enough flow tokens in their wallet. But in our case, it doesn't because they claim it whenever they are able to. Another thing that we have created is like an unpacking experience. It's something that is inspired by NBA Top Shot and also just in general like Pokemon booster packs. All packs are randomized, you don't know what you're getting, and you'll have a chance in any pack to get something super rare, like a one-on-one custom. All our code is open sourced, so we hope to be able to help anyone who wants to build on Flow to be able to do so with all the code that we open source. Right now, I'm connected with my wallet, and you can see right now that basically quite empty. I don't have any bees, I don't have items, I don't have any packs. And if I go to my inbox, we also see that we can't find any inbox. So I'll change that by going to our admin dashboard. This is a dashboard we created so we can have a clear overview of who owns what NFTs and what packs. So I'll just distribute some packs to our user. And there we go. And now I'll just claim our packs so they come up to our pack collection. And yeah, now the transaction has sealed and we'll be ready to visit our profile once more and we'll be able to see that we have some packs. So now I'll be able to demonstrate how a community member can unpack their packs. At the saber. What's nice is that when you open a pack, you'll be able to see what's the serial number that I got, what's the gender, which will be quite relevant when you want to breed your beast. You'll see the first owner tags, which means that you will receive lifetime royalties every time your beast gets traded. So now I've unpacked all my starter packs. We can see that we have received some items and we now have our beast collection. We can even nickname our beast, which happens on chain. I can call my beast, like give it a certain name. What happens is that will be saved for my specific NFT, and any website that reads this NFT will be able to read the nickname. So I can show off my passion. Another thing we wanted to create are the hunter score, which is a collector score. The hunter score increases when you unpack, evolve, trade, or you breed them. So if you interact in any way in the ecosystem that brings value to the whole community at large. Personal Lexicon is just like a Pokédex. You can use this to keep track of your collection. So I'll just quickly show that as well. And here you can see that we have the hunter score and we have a lexicon. So this is our personal lexicon. We can see there's 151 beasts. Other important social features that we wanted to have for Basic Beasts was profile pages. This allows members to show off their own collection and discover others. And we have a rankings page to help with discoverability of other members. And it also gives like a fun way to kind of compete with your friends. We are able to, from the rankings page, see all the other hunters. We can visit theirs, see what they have named their beast. They have like their own profile picture, right? If we wanted to change our profile picture, we can also do that as well. Let's say I want this profile picture instead. I'll just call myself BC. This creates a .find profile for me. So this is like a way I can personalize my profile page even more and let people know who I am. Evolution. So a really exciting feature that we have been working hard on is how one can expand their own collection and acquire even rare NFTs. Illusion also works as a burning mechanism that will benefit the economy because we have learned it from CryptoKitties, where we suddenly ended up having like 2 million NFT cats. That didn't really help the value of the whole collection in that sense. So from day one, we knew that we wanted this type of burning mechanism that both gives a fun way to acquire new NFTs, but also just increases the value of all the other beasts. So if I were to demonstrate this, well, I have three beasts, and that's what I need in order to evolve. By choosing my three beasts of the same kind, I'll be able to evolve them on chain. So what you just saw there was that the three beasts that we have now been like fused and turned into a higher star level beast. The three beasts that were there before, well, they cease to exist, but instead we get something that will expand our collection even further. We see it in the personal lexicon. And we're getting one step closer to completing our personal lexicon, and we also increase our hunter score by doing so. There are many things that we have planned for Basic Beasts. Right now, we're working on marketplace and breeding, which will also become quite important for the ecosystem. Marketplace to, of course, trade your beast and acquire specific beasts if you want to evolve them or breed them. There's still a lot of things that we have planned, and we're still like learning from the community what people want. But we're definitely excited to, yeah, keep expanding Basic Beast and have a lot of fun with our friends. Thanks for watching.